Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. A very traditional and a very classic southern plant is going to be your hydrangea. Here in the fall, you'll start noticing, kind of starting to look kind of crappy, quite frankly. Your blooms are starting to really wilt away. The leaves are wilting up, and that's because these are getting ready to go dormant. There's nothing wrong with this plant. Might need a little bit of water, but this plant is it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Some of the leaves are already starting to brown. Over the next several weeks, it's going to start dropping all of these leaves. All of these buds are going to be dropped, and then it's going to go to straight sticks. You don't have to do anything to the plant unless you need to. In a plant like this, you can see it hasn't been trimmed in several years because we wanted to let it get big and fill this area. So let's say that it was overgrown. Let's say that we didn't want it to grow into these shishis anymore. What we would do is we would wait until it has dropped all these buds, all these leaves, and then when it's bare sticks, it just looks like dead wood. That's when we would trim it back. In the event that you don't want to trim it back, if you're okay with the size, absolutely nothing you need to do. You can just leave it alone. It doesn't need to be covered whenever the cold weather gets here. It just needs to be left alone and let it do its own thing. So anyway, if you got any questions, need any suggestions, feel free to reach out and let us know. Other than that, y'all have a good day.